In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add missing transactions from your bank or credit card to QuickBooks Online. Sometimes bank feeds miss a transaction, or maybe you forgot to connect an account in time. When that happens, your reports and balances can be off. The good news is you can manually add those missing transactions directly in QuickBooks Online, and that's exactly what we're going to walk through together. First, you'll want to go to your chart of accounts. From your QuickBooks dashboard, look for the small gear icon, usually in the upper right corner of the screen. This is your settings menu. Click on it, and from the options that appear, choose Chart of Accounts. The chart of accounts is basically the master list of all the accounts in your books, including your bank and credit card accounts. Next, you need to open the specific account where the transaction is missing. In the chart of accounts list, scroll or search for the bank or credit card account that should contain that transaction. Once you find it, move over to the action column on the right side. Here you'll see an option like View Register or Account History. Click that. This opens the account register, which is a running list of all the transactions that have been recorded for that account. Now that the register is open, you're ready to add a new transaction. At the top of the register, you'll see an option to add a transaction, usually in a drop-down that might say something like Add Journal Entry, Add Check, or Add Deposit. Choose the type that best matches the transaction you're adding. For example, use Deposit for money coming into the account, or Check and similar options for money going out. Once you've selected the right type, a form will appear where you can fill in the details. Carefully enter the date of the transaction, a clear description, and the exact amount. Take your time here, because accurate information will make reconciling and reporting much easier later. Depending on the transaction type, you may also need to choose the correct category or account that this transaction should be posted to, and add any memo or reference details that help you remember what it was for. When everything looks correct, go ahead and select Save. The transaction will now appear in the account register along with your other transactions. At this point, your balances should better match your bank or credit card statement, and your books will be more accurate.